number mo. Tapos, ganun din rin.
Okay.
Hindi ka pala number.
Okay.
Ano ko sabihin?
Oo, sige.
Sa card 1?
Oo, ayan.
Card 2?
9.
Card 3?
Yes.
4?
Yes.
Card 5?
None.
13?
Yes. How did you know that?
Ako yung nasa band kami nahula ako yung ano. That's my secret.
That's your secret?
Nahula ko yung kuya na iniisip niya doon sa band. 11 iniisip niya. You know Michael Jackson?
Yeah.
Yes, he is very famous on that.
Okay, you do it to me now.
Michael
Okay, I picked the number.
I saw the cell phone.
Really? Show me.
We saw the cell phone. Michael Jackson was singing. Then the, yung mga dead na, we saw yung underground, may dead na biglang, I saw the underground at the cell phone. There was a hound outside. Then one time when the zombies were walking, one of the zombies, naputol kamay niya, sabi, nahulog sa floor. The head of the zombie was being dropped.